back to my channel. I am Digdarshini. I hope you all are fine and keeping well. So today's video is going to be a Photoshop tutorial video because since I posted this picture, this coronavirus themed picture on my Instagram, a lot of you guys requested for a tutorial on my YouTube channel. So here I am on your request. So today's video I am going to show you how you can recreate such pictures. So all the PNGs and everything I'm going to link down in the description box below so that you can also recreate by using those PNGs. And if you are not following me on Instagram, please yaar follow kar lo jaake. I'm posting a lot of creative pictures these days, so please support and show some love there as well. And if you are new here on my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and click the bell icon there so that you never miss out more videos like these. So let's get started. Hey guys, I am back. Okay, so let's just get started with the tutorial, and the first step is to select the picture which you have taken. Alright, a little backstory behind this picture goes here. So ये picture उतना भी easy नहीं था to click all by yourself, because you know what, while creating such pictures in which आप थोड़ी awareness दे रहे हो audience को, तो आपको पता नहीं चलता है कि how much amount of emotion is right. So in this picture you can see कि I am punching the coronavirus devil. So you need to have that furious expressions on your face. So yeah, that was quite tricky, but I nailed it, I guess. And that's about the picture. So let's get started with the editing part. So now let's just open the picture on Photoshop. Now as you can see, we have opened the picture in Photoshop, and the next step is to remove the whole background from this picture so that we can place this picture, I mean जो मेरी picture है उसको दूसरे foreground image में place कर सकते हैं. I hope you can understand. Anyway, so let's just move ahead with this process. Eventually you will get it what I am trying to say or do. So let's remove the background, and I have shown in the previous video also कि remove कैसे करते हैं background को. So I'll show it once again. So to remove the background, this is the only trick I use for all my pictures. So click on the quick selection tool, which you can see is the fourth tool in the toolbar. Just click on that and select the whole picture जितना भी आपको चाहिए. So let's just select it and let's do it. So after our selection is done, now the next step is to click on the layer mask, which will mask our layer, which you can see right below your layer. So it will be like a camera icon thing. Now click on the adjustment layer जो कि layer mask के बिल्कुल बगल में है, and go to the solid color and then drag to the darkest color in the palette. You can see I am choosing black and press OK. Now what you can do is to drag the color fill layer to the below layer, that is नीचे वाला layer, and click on the layer 1 and then click on select and mask. Now that you are open to a black page in which you can see your cutting, click on the refine edge brush and move it all over your selection. So what does refine edge brush does? I have already told in the previous video that refine edge brush refines all your edges so that your edges which you have selected looks very fine and clean. As you are done making the selection smooth with the refined edge brush, now please look at the sidebar in which you can see so many options lying there, in which you can see feather, smooth, contrast, shift edge and decontaminate colors. So I am clicking on the decontaminate colors and then click OK. You can choose according to your preference and then click OK. Now let's just open the background image. So I am opening this sky image on my background, onto which I will be placing my own image that we just did refining. So I will be placing this image on that sky image. Now the next step is very crucial. Please, I would say that invest your time properly in adjusting the selection that you just placed on the background image, क्योंकि this is going to say a lot about your position, because you are actually going to punch a coronavirus devil. So it should be perfectly portrayed that you are showing your anger and leaning on to the virus and punching it. And now if you may be wondering what I am doing, so I am doing a little जुगाड़, because मैं जब adjust कर रही थी I realized कि मेरे नीचे वाला पैर थोड़ा कट चुका है, so I am doing this जुगाड़. So if you may be wondering how you can do it too, so click on some part of your leg because मेरा leg का part मुझे चाहिए extra because वो कट गया था. So click on the quick selection tool and click on some part of your leg and then click on Ctrl plus J because that will just duplicate your selection and then place it onto wherever you want. But don't worry about the hard finishings, we can just remove it by the eraser tool. And now we have an extended leg. Now the most fun and interesting part comes is to place the coronavirus devil PNG, which you can place it by clicking on the file and then going to place embedded and then browsing your file in the computer wherever it is situated and then click OK. Now a very crucial part comes where you have to also adjust the coronavirus devil PNG just like you did yours. मेक श्योर कि जो वायरस का मुंह होगा और आपका एल्बो होगा उसमें ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस ना हो क्योंकि आप उसको पंच कर रहे हो, सो आपका एल्बो उसके मुंह के बिल्कुल करीब होना चाहिए. Now after adjusting the whole scenario, I am going to add some character to my picture, which is this cloud surface वाला picture. So add this cloud surface onto your background and make sure कि जो cloud surface है वो आपके और कोरोना वायरस के लेयर के नीचे होना चाहिए and background layer that is sky layer के ऊपर होना चाहिए. I hope you get my point. Now I am going to add some blood splatter PNG over the coronavirus PNG because हम उसको actually punch कर रहे हैं, so उसके मुंह से बहुत सारा खून निकल रहा है. I know this could be disgusting for many people, but that's our concept. So moving ahead with the blood splatters, please adjust the splatters perfectly so that लगे कि actually उसके मुंह से बहुत सारा खून निकल रहा है. Also साथ में I want to change the color of coronavirus because actually I'm not finding this pink color very appealing, so I want to make it little reddish. So for that, move your cursor to image that you can see on the top layer of the toolbar. Then click on the adjustments and then move your cursor to the hue and saturation and choose whatever color you want to have on your virus by playing with the slider. So as you can see, my concept is that I am the savior of earth from this deadly virus that is corona. So I am holding the earth in one hand and from the other hand I am punching the virus. Now be very careful and adjust your earth in your hand. That could be very tricky, but please observe more and do the same way as I am doing. It should look like that you are actually holding something circular in your hands. Now as you are done removing few parts of your fingers because you want to make it look like you are actually holding the earth in your palm, so now the main role that has to play a role here is the shadows, which is very crucial. Of course कुछ भी आप पकड़ रहे हो that should have a depth in your hands. मेक श्योर आप शेडोज़ बहुत अच्छे से दे रहे हो क्योंकि अगर शेडोज़ अच्छे से नहीं दोगे आप तो पिक्चर बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेक लगेगा एंड कट पेस्ट लगेगा, विच वी डोंट वांट. सो प्लीज़ इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम प्रॉपर्ली एंड मेक शेडोज़ ऑन बोथ द लेयर. दैट इज़ फर्स्ट वन इज़ योर लेयर एंड द सेकेंड वन इज़ द अर्थ लेयर. इफ़ यू माइट थिंक कि आप शेडोज़ कैसे दे सकते हैं, सो प्लीज़ चूज़ द ब्रश विच इज़ अवेलेबल इन द 9th ऑफ द टूल बार, दैट इज़ द साइड टूल बार. Size of the brush should be medium, hardness of the brush should be lowest, color of the brush should be the darkest, but you can change the opacity according to your preference कि आप कौन सा side या फिर कौन से layer पे आप shadow दे रहे हो. After creating the shadows of earth over your palm, now the next step is to place mini coronavirus PNGs over your pictures to create that aesthetic feel to the picture and a vibe to the composition. And you can place some more of them here and there. So you can also change the color of these tiny coronavirus PNGs to match the main devil with the same process that I told you earlier. Now that you know कि हम लोग sky में हैं and we are fighting this battle in the sky as per the concept, so I want my hair to fly. So I am adding few more PNGs of my hair जो कि मैंने दूसरे shot से ले रखे हैं and I took those shots on the terrace. Now I'm coloring the edges of my hoodie red, and if you're wondering why, because the coronavirus is red in color, and as we are punching the coronavirus, of course some of the splatters has to be there on our edges. This is just to create some depth between me and the coronavirus. Now comes the most interesting part, in which I am going to color grade the whole picture, but for now I am going to color grade my own picture, which is how you can do by clicking on the filter and then click on the camera raw filter. This is just a mini Lightroom. You can skip it as well and do it in the Adobe Lightroom as well, but I like to do here because I want to balance the whole picture. That's why. Now you can see the whole picture looks more in sync. Now comes my most favorite part, that is to add gradient lights, bouquet lights or masking lights, whatever you want to call it. So you can also do it by clicking on the layer button, which is on the top toolbar. So click on the layer button and then go to new fill layer and then click on the gradient. There a box will pop up in which you have to change the mode to screen, and then another box will pop up which says gradient scale, and then just double click on the gradient and choose the color from the platter. I am choosing red color because I like it that way. I like to give my pictures a red gradient that looks very classy, so that is why I am choosing red color, and make some adjustments with the scale, with the angle, and when you are satisfied just click OK. I am giving the red gradient to the top left, and I want कि sunlight वहाँ से आए so that it is reflected on my face and the coronavirus as well. So it looks very aesthetic. And we are done with it, and I totally love how it turned out. Now you can go and save this picture in the JPEG form and store it in your gallery, and you can also edit this picture in Adobe Lightroom CC in your phone to complete the picture. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you liked the video and found it helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down and share it among your friends. It will really mean a lot to me. And in the next video, I will show you how you can edit this picture. Yes, a lot of you guys also requested a tutorial on this one. So it is coming on the next video. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care, spread love. Bye.